Hey guys, we are at the Tropicana in Atlantic City. This is the Havana Tower. We're on floor 56, room 5630. Let's go on inside. So this is the premium 2-queen. So the premium gives you a higher floor and a little bit of a better view. We are checking out, so the room is not in perfect condition. I do apologize for that. But when you first come in, here is the bathroom. Nice lighting, big vanity. And here's the large walk-in shower. Pile of dirty towels. Again, I apologize, but it's very clean. Typical like Caesar's properties amenities. Let's see. What brand is this? The shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. It's a nice. Okay. When you come out, there's the adjoining room. Then here's a little closet. Safe, ironing board, you know, typical. And here are 2 queens. Bed was pretty comfortable. I have no complaints. Coffee maker. Large TV. And then here is their fridge, which came in very handy. We were here with a family of 4, 2 little kids. They have 4 pools here. 2 of them are 21 and up, or one's 18 and up, one's 21 and up. Then an indoor pool, which is all ages, and then another pool. There's like USB ports and stuff. Little sitting area. Then here's the view. Again, this is the Havana Tower. So beautiful view over here of the ocean. The weather has been absolutely gorgeous. It is, what's today? June 7th, 2022. So it's the very beginning of the summer and it's been gorgeous, the weather. So there's the rest of the casinos. There's the Caesars Pier. You have Caesars, Bally's, Hard Rock, Resorts, Showboat, Ocean. And then over here, which is really cool at nighttime, it's all lit up. There's the Borgata, Harrah's, Golden Nugget. That's the Sheraton right there. But it's a beautiful view. So pretty at night. All right, so that is it. That's the 2-queen room here at the Havana Tower at Tropicana. Like, thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this. See y'all soon.